Hello, my name's Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services. We install a lot of ceiling light fittings, customer supplied ceiling light fittings, and everything goes well. However, one morning I had a call from Julia. It was on a Monday. Julia and her husband have been doing some work around the house and the lights fused. Something went bang in the hallway. When they turned the fuse back up, the circuit breaker back up, the lights in the hallway were not working. Julia doesn't live too far away from me, so I popped round and had a look. The light bulb had exploded, hence there was glass on the floor. The bulb had come away from the light fitting. Making sure that the power was switched off, I went up to the light fitting and metal light fitting as well. Could be dangerous. And what we found was the light bulb had come away from its holder, which was sitting inside the light fitting. So there was live connections there. This job can be done by a proficient DIYer, but probably not. It's a little bit dangerous. With the power switched off, the customer had also taped over the light switch so they didn't inadvertently turn the lights on. With a pair of pliers, you can squeeze the metal lamp holder, which is on the base of your light bulb, squeeze it, wobble it, push it a little bit, wobble it, twist it, and eventually it comes out. You normally do this with some long nose pliers, and then you get some bigger regular pliers, electrically insulated, and you squeeze, push and twist out. Once all taken out, we put in a new light bulb and everything worked perfectly. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.